I'm Sheila Jasanoff. I'm a professor of science, technology, and society at the Harvard Kennedy School. I'm also faculty lead of the Trust in Science project. So when I think about trust in science, I think about three dimensions in which such a project could go. One is about trust in specific scientific claims and findings. Another is trust in science as a process for generating reliable knowledge. And a third is about science as a guide to the kinds of actions we ought to undertake and what we should do as a society. That is obviously incredibly important in pandemic times when our movements are being restricted and we're being asked to do things because of our trust in findings. And to the extent that data science helps us understand connections and patterns, I think that those can be conveyed to the public in relatively easy terms.
As part of this project, what we are trying to do is build tools which can promote trust among scientific experts coming from different fields, and also to build public trust in science. There are tons of media articles, research articles, preprints coming out suggesting different things about COVID. We see contradictory information a lot, especially during this pandemic time. And one of the goals of our project is to basically design something like a trust rank or page rank, like what Google does, right, to rank its news articles. We are trying to do a variant of that for research articles and also make it explainable. The amount of information that is coming out about COVID, the general public themselves might be feeling overwhelmed and confused as to what is correct, what is accurate, what is trustworthy. Again, to sort of tease through that information and identify accurate ones or accurate information from the inaccurate information, that's another important step.
So the goal of this research is to test ways to correct or reduce misinformation that spreads through social media in developing countries, with a particular focus on WhatsApp. In Zimbabwe, almost half of internet traffic goes over WhatsApp. And there's a lot of misinformation and false information that spreads virally. We're trying to test different methods or tools to reduce misinformation, improve people's knowledge, especially about COVID-19, but also about a broader social and policy topics.